Folks, ET here coming at you with the pre-market prep, so let's get to it. All right, yesterday, big gap up, then we really just got that one big dip, and then a nice move up, chopped around the rest of the day. Calls puts were flat, nothing too interesting there. We did have a green DEX. That's our first after having two red ones in a row. Let's jump into our customer sentiment and our whale targets. Well, whales that were at 600 have disappeared. The 595 have as well. We now have 550, 580, and then some support at 586. Very interesting to see that those upper whales disappeared. Let's see if they run it back up. Right now, we're at about 591 in the pre-market session, so we'll take a look at that here in a second. Largest DAG is still 593, starting to thicken up a little bit here in these middle ranges. These were very thin a few weeks ago. We're starting to kind of just fill these out as we go. So mark these on your charts. Let's jump into our gamma. So we're about 591 right now, so we're sitting about right around this area right here on our ag. No big deal. Some supportive if we can stay above at 587. Repel, if you will, 585, 583, and 581. It's decent size pull at 600 still, but now there's another pull down here all the way down at 570. We're not going to worry about 570 quite yet because we are $20 away from it. But we'll keep an eye on it and track it as the week and the sessions go on. So for our ag look, we really need to hold 581 for the bulls to have any upside towards that 600. Then losing that could be catastrophic if we have some sort of very, very, very crappy day. Let's take a look at today's 528 and see what that brings for us. All right, so that's a little bit clearer. 585, there's a positive cluster here, so we'd have to gamma ramp down and away to lose all of that to get into that 578. If not, we hold 585. We've got a decent range from 585 to 594. Biggest pulls on the board are 587 and then 572 for today. So we'd need something, like I said, not so great to happen there. Keep an eye on any crazy put flow at the end of the day for any indication that maybe NVDA doesn't do that well or something. We'll find out. NVIDIA does have earnings after the bell. It can be a market mover. Right now, everything's mostly flat. So let's hope we do not have a huge choppy day in store for us while the whole market waits for NVIDIA. All right, we've got our levels marked up. Let's go. Everybody have a good day. Stay safe out there and go get that Oprah money.